Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a pregnancy of about 18 weeks, 2 days with anencephaly. Anencephaly is a lethal condition incompatible with sustained life. It has been understood that if an anencephaly infant is live born, death will soon be imminent. Several studies have reported anencephaly to be 100% lethal in the first year of life. Anencephaly is a lethal condition. You can see the fetal head, and both the eyes are prominent. The head is missing. The skull vault is missing. Anencephaly can be detected on ultrasound as early as 11 weeks of gestation. If some amount of neural tissue is present, the condition is called exencephaly. Polyhydramnios is usually associated with neural tube defects. No treatment option is available for anencephaly. Anencephaly can theoretically be diagnosed as early as 8 weeks. However, it can be missed in the first trimester. There is 100% accuracy in the second trimester for this diagnosis by ultrasound. One study shows sonography alone was 97% sensitive and 100% specific in diagnosing an open neural tube defect. You can see the fetal cardiac activity. Fetal movements and fetal cardiac activity is echo-mecho-normal. By ultrasound, the appearance will resemble Mickey Mouse ears. Additionally, a measurement from the top to the head to the rump, that is crown rump length or CRL, is significantly reduced in affected fetuses in the first trimester. You can see the umbilical cord. The blood flow in the umbilical cord looks to be good. Placenta is anteriorly attached. It is slightly left lateral. Of those fetuses with anencephaly, a small proportion will die while still in the uterus. Intrauterine fetal demise or stillbirth. Approximately 25% will have excessive amniotic fluid around the fetus, that is polyhydramnios. Polyhydramnios may cause excess stretching of the uterus, resulting in preterm contractions. An infant born with anencephaly has some or most of the brain missing. These infants are unconscious, cannot feel, and are usually blind and deaf. Infants with anencephaly are stillborn in about 75% of cases. Newborn who survive die within several hours, days, or weeks. Anencephaly is when neural tube fails to close at the base of the skull. Neural tube defects may be caused by genes passed on from both parents and by environmental factors. Some of these factors include obesity, uncontrolled diabetes in the mother, and some prescription medicines. These findings demonstrate that anencephaly can be reliably diagnosed at a routine 10 to 14 weeks of gestation, provided the specific search is made for the sonography features of this condition. Anencephaly is one of the most lethal congenital defects. This case, now getting enough folic acid before and during the early pregnancy can help prevent neural tube defects such as anencephaly. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.